Welcome to this video on how online UPS systems work, also known as double conversion uninterruptible power supplies. Standard offline UPS systems face a problem with transfer time, causing a 2 to 10 millisecond delay. This allows dirty utility power to reach your sensitive equipment, potentially causing reboots or crashes. The solution is an online UPS, which provides a 0 millisecond transfer time. This ensures 100% clean and stable power, making it perfect for mission-critical IT applications. Let's look inside the box at the double conversion setup. Power flows from the AC grid, through the UPS, and then to your IT equipment. Step 1 involves the rectifier, which converts AC wall power to DC power and filters out all electrical noise, delivering clean DC power. Step 2 is the battery loop. The battery is always connected to the flow and is continuously charging from the rectified DC power. Step 3 is the inverter. It converts the DC power back into perfect AC power for your load. Your equipment always runs on this generated power. During a power failure, the rectifier stops, but the inverter seamlessly and continuously pulls power from the battery. This results in zero switching and zero delay. The safety net is bypass mode. An internal static bypass switch routes wall power directly to your equipment. This is used for maintenance or in case of an overload. Comparing offline versus online UPS systems, online offers zero transfer time and perfect voltage regulation through double conversion, making it ideal for data centers, though it has a higher price. Online UPS is necessary for applications requiring ultimate power reliability, such as data centers, hospitals, financial institutions, and industrial automation. The trade-offs include pros like ultimate protection and a perfect sine wave output. Cons include a higher purchase cost, lower energy efficiency, and more generated heat. For enhanced reliability, enterprise redundancy or N+1 architecture uses multiple online UPS systems. N is the power required, and +1 is a spare for backup, ensuring high availability. 3 key things to remember: double conversion, converting AC to DC to AC, clean power as equipment never touches grid power, and zero downtime with 0 milliseconds transfer time on battery. Thank you for watching. Keep learning about technical explanations and build a reliable network today.